Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today the video is nothing related to makeup or hijab. It's basically how I make my masala chai. If you know me, you know that I'm a tea person. I love milk tea, and very recently I've learned how to make masala chai, which is pretty easy. All you need is like 5 ingredients: ginger, clove, ilachi, milk, and obviously tea leaf. Oh, and you need water too. Making 2 cups of tea, take a cup of water and put it for boil. Just give a little more than a cup so that the extra bit evaporates. Chop a little piece of ginger and put it in the boiling water with the clove and the ilachi and boil it for around 2 minutes. After that, you will be putting the tea leaf. So as I'll be making 2 cups of tea, so here I have taken 3 teaspoons of tea leaf. You can take it according to yourself. After that, we are going to put the tea leaf in the boiling water and boil it for around 3 minutes, because the liquor basically comes out pretty well in water and not in milk, so you want the liquor of the tea to come out completely. After 3 minutes, then you add equal amount of full cream milk. So as I have taken 1 cup of water, I will be giving 1 cup of milk. And boil it for further 2 to 3 minutes, or until I feel that the color is right. I'll not be adding sugar here because it depends on you whether you want sugar or not. So I'll not be adding the sugar while boiling it. As you can see, the color looks very appealing, very tempting. So I know that my tea is done here. So after that, you just strain it and add some sugar in your tea if you want, or not. You can add honey as well. So that's how my masala chai looks, and it tastes pretty amazing too. Hope you have liked my video. If you want me to upload similar videos, cooking videos other than my makeup or hijab tutorials too, you can let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel too. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.